The US Federal Reserve has cut interest rates for the first time since the global financial crisis. Joining us live to discuss this is business reporter Chris Kohler. And Chris, how have the local markets reacted?
Good morning, Annalise. Yes, look, it hasn't reacted particularly well. A local market falling, as did Wall Street overnight on the back of that first rate cut from Federal Reserve in over 10 years, as you mentioned. Now, the local market down 0.3% as I speak to you. 6,789 is the number on the market, which is a nice, easy number for us all to remember. Basically, the theory here is that, yes, it was a well-expected rate cut from the Federal Reserve. It was all pretty much baked into the market, but really the market was expecting this to be the first of many interest rate cuts from the Federal Reserve, and there was one quote that really stood out, which was Jerome Powell saying that this is not the start of a long series of cuts. So it really went against the grain a little bit there, and it wobbled people a little bit, and it sent the market a little bit lower on Wall Street. Of course, the Australian market and Wall Street both hitting record highs in the last week, so there was room to correct a little bit, you'd have to say.
And Chris, some new property price data out. What have we got?
Yeah, that's right, Kieran. We've got brand new numbers for July, and it's positive news, 0.1% across the combined capital city gain there. Now, that's following a month of gains in the previous month as well. So, look, the core logic, the producers of this data, is saying that we're basically seeing a floor here in property prices in July. 5 out of the 8 capital cities have recorded a positive result. And while it is only very minor, it is seen to be the floor right now for property prices. We know that that clearance rates have been well higher than they have been historically over the last few weeks, and it's starting to flow now through into prices. So while we should not be expecting a V-shaped recovery, the news is broadly positive. We should be expecting just a kind of a meandering recovery, I think, over the next few months.
Certainly one to keep an eye on. Chris Kohler, thanks for the update.